Our sound today is our sound. So our sound can have a few different spellings. It can be spelled ER, IR, UR, and sometimes EAR, which isn't on our card. So when we see these spellings, we know it says er. So let's watch our sound video.
Bird. Birdie the bird is the oddest bird that anyone has ever heard. He doesn't call like a crow or a gull, or tweet like a robin or a wren. Instead, he makes a chirping sound over and over again. Birdie can't fly since his wings are too short. He arranges his feathers in curls. He admits, I have short wings and I don't really sing, but I'm still an interesting bird. Can you chirp like Birdie the bird?
Let's practice reading some words with our different spellings. So remember, if we see the letters ER, IR, or UR together, we're going to make the sound. When you see a letter in yellow, we're going to say the sound, and when you see the loop, we're going to blend. All right, first word. W. I. Blend. Wi. N. Blend. Win. T. Tur. All the sounds. W. I. N. T. Blend. Win. Tur. Whole word. Winter. What's the word? Winter. And winter has our ER, spelling. All right, next word. Cur. E. Remember, when we have our consonant Y, it makes the long E sound. Lee. All the sounds. K, E. Blend. Curly. What's the word? Curly. And curly has our UR, spelling. All right, let's do one more word. Blend. Thir. S. T. E. Again, our consonant Y makes the E sound. Stee. All the sounds. S. T. E. Blend. Thirsty. What's the word? Thirsty. And our thirsty has the IR spelling in the word.